Namaste. Today let's learn about the karma of doshas. Acharya Vagbhata said, Dosha dhatumala moolam sada dehasya tam chalaha utsahochvasa nishvasa cheshta vega pravartanaihi samyak gatya cha dhatunam akshanam patavena cha anugrinhatya vikrita. That means anugrinhati. That means that which helps the body. Now, who helps the body? Chalaha. Chalaha is the synonym of Vaata. Vaata helps the body. When does it help the body? Avikritaha Vaataha or Avikritaha Chalaha. That means when Vaata dosha is in its samavastha, will be helping the body. Now, there are different types of karmas which are mentioned. Let us see one by one. First one is Utsaha. Utsaha means Sarva Cheshtasu Udyogaha. That means always ready to initiate an action. That is called as Sarva Cheshtasu Udyogaha. May it be any kind of action. We are always ready. That initiation is called as Sarva Cheshtasu Udyogaha. Or it is also considered as Adhyavasayaha, the power of taking decision. That is called as to initiate any kind of action. You need to take the decision first. Yes, I will be able to do this work. So that is called as Utsaha. Uchvasa. Urdhvashvasanam Shwasa Muktihi. The inhaled air will be released. That is Shwasa Muktihi. That is exhalation. Shwasa Nirgamaha. Uchvasa means Shwasa Nirgamaha. That is exhalation. Next comes Nishvasa. Nishvasa means Shwasasya Sharirantaf Praveshanam. The breath of air which we take in is called as Nishvasa or Shwasa Praveshaha or inhalation. Next is Cheshta. Cheshta, if you have to categorize it briefly into three categories, then it will be Kaya, Vak as well as Mana. So there are three types of cheshtas. Either it is Kayika or it is Vachika or it is Manasika. Or it can also be considered as Gamana Adikriya. Gamana Adikriya, any kind of movements that can be considered as cheshta. Now there are different types of movements like Utkshepana, Apakshepana, Prasarana, Akunchana, Nimesha, Unmesha. So all these movements can be considered under Cheshta. Next is Vega Pravartanaihi. Vega Pravartana. For the initiation of the Vegas, there is a need of Vaata. So that is the karma of Vaata. The Prakrita karma of Pitta. Acharya Vagbhata said, Pittam Paktyushma Darshanaihi Kshutridruci Prabhamedha Dhishauryatanumardavaihi. Pittam Anugrinhati or Pitta helps the body when it is in its Prakritavastha. Let us see the karma of Pitta one by one. Paktihi, that is, Pitta helps in the process of Paka. Ushma, that is, Aushnyam, that which produces the necessary temperature to the body to keep the body in its balanced state. Darshanam, Trishtihi, Chakshusha Jnanam, perception of the Rupa of an object is made possible by the Pitta dosha through Chakshurendriya. Kshut, Bubhuksha, that is hunger. Trishna, Pipasa, is about thirst, is made possible by the Prakrita karma of Pitta. Ruchihi, that is Preetihi, having a wide range of tastes or interests, that is called as Ruchihi, Preetihi. Prabha, that is the lustre, is produced by the Prakrita karma of Pitta. Medha is the Buddhi Vishesha, having an intelligence, is called as Medha. Buddhi or Dhi is also the Prakrita karma of Pitta. Shauryam or Balam or having the courage to do something is the Prakrita karma of Pitta. Next is Tanumardavaihi. We can consider it as the softness of the body is the Prakrita karma of Pitta. Or we can also consider that Tanutva or Asthulatvam is also the Prakrita karma of Pitta. Mardavaihi, the production of Mruduta, or we can consider that Saukumaryatvam, that sensitiveness is also the Prakrita karma of Pitta. Let's learn about the Prakrita karma of Kapha. Acharya Vagbhata said, Shleshma sthiratva snigdhatva sandhibandha kshamadibihi. Shleshma sthirattvadibihi anugrinhati. That is, Shleshma helps the body through sthiratvadi karmas. Or you can say it expresses itself through these lakshanas. Or whenever these visible karmas are seen in our body, then we can assume that Shleshma is in its Prakritavastha. Now Now, what are these karmas? Let us see one by one. First one is sthiratva. Sthiratvam or dridhangatvam, having the stable body or the strong body without having any frictions or without having any pain, such kind of body. Snigdhatvam, snehaktameva, as if the body is applied by oil or there is soft movements, painless movements or frictionless movements. Next is sandhibandaha, that is sushlishta sandhitvam, that is easy movement of the sandhis. Along with that, the sandhis will be able to hold on to the nearby structures together. This is made possible by the Prakrita Karma of Shleshma. Next is kshama. Kshama is sahishnutvam, that is a power of tolerance, tolerating a difficult moments. That is kshama or sahishnutvam, the power of tolerance. Adibihi alaulyadayaha. There are many other things which can be considered under this category. Alaulyadayaha is mentioned in the commentary. So that means having no much greed or having no much cravings. That can be considered as the Prakrita Karmas of Shleshma. Namaste.